Version 3.0 software update now includes a new improved user interface. Now, without selecting a vehicle, you have access to non-vehicle specific data, features, and settings. Once you choose Select Vehicle, you still have Auto ID, Manual Selection, Recent Vehicles, or Search by VIN. When you select Auto ID, this will automatically read the VIN on most vehicles 2008 and newer. You can always select Manual Selection. This will allow you to choose year, make, model, and engine. You have the option to select recent vehicles, to choose from a list of recent vehicles that you have previously scanned. You may decide to select Search by VIN to enter by VIN number. Once you have ID'd the vehicle, all vehicle-specific information and tests are in one convenient location. You now have a couple of new options. You can still read DTCs on all systems to scan all the controllers on the vehicle in one easy-to-use step, as before. And now you have a new option. You can select Read DTCs, select Systems to choose one or multiple controllers to scan. This will save you time by helping you get the information you need faster. Now, when you go to Special Test, there is a new and simpler controller selection layout list. Also, when you select the Car button at the upper right corner, you can now select a new vehicle. Another new feature is by selecting the Home button in the upper right corner, you can exit the current vehicle and return to the home screen. On the home screen, by selecting the question mark, you now have an on-tool tutorial of the changes to the software.